Okay, 17. Yay. The rate of change is constant in the graph. Find the rate of change. Explain what the rate of change means for the situation. Okay, so every time we have a graph, instead of having a table like in number 16, we have a graph. We are going to use m equals, instead of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, you're going to use rise over run. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and pick 2 points on that table. And you're going to put a point there because that's a nice point. And I guess this is a nice point as well. Remember, pick points that have whole number coordinates. They both have whole number coordinates. Now you're going to draw your line across and up because you want to make your best right triangle. Since you're making your right triangle, this is your run. The rise is your rise. So the run, counting from 0 on the graph, going over 1, 2. Just remember, this is not 2. This is 1, 2. But since the bottom is going by threes, if you're going 2 boxes, they're 3 each. So this is 6. And this is your run, because you just a lot of people make mistakes on that one because they don't look at the what the graph, the x value is going by. This is going by threes. If you're counting 2, it's 3 each, so that's 6. Then you count up 1, and don't put 1 right here because it's not 1. It's going by 100,000. So this right here is your rise, and your rise is 100,000. And I don't know if I could draw that. I could write this without a. Okay, so that's 10,000. There we go. So this is 100,000, and that is your rise. So rise over run. Your rise is 100,000. Your run is going to be over 6. This is a positive slope. So you know that B is out right off the bat. It has a negative. I don't know what it's doing there, so get that out of there. So A, if you take a look at A, you have 100,000 over 6. That's good. It increases 100,000 every 6 years. So yes, it does. If you keep on drawing across at 6 years, it does increase 100,000. Another 6 years, it does increase 100,000. So A is your answer. It doesn't increase 100,000 every 3 years. That's out. And this fraction is all wrong as well. A is your answer for number 17.